Try saying induced pluripotent stem cell 5 times fast. Moving on. The induced pluripotent stem cell is a cell that has been reverted from its original state to a stem cell. Then that stem cell can become any other cell like a muscle cell.
Hold on, what is a stem cell?
A stem cell has the capability to transform into any cell in the body. It's basically a cell that doesn't have a distinct job yet. It's also found all throughout the body. Now you might be wondering,
why would anybody study this? It sounds pretty complex and time-consuming.
it is extremely complex and time-consuming, but the previous stem cell used in research was unethical. This stem cell is known as the embryonic stem cell. It's a stem cell that comes from embryo or a very early developed fertilized egg. In many ways, this is very unethical because there first has to be an embryo. So in 2006, a research scientist named Shinya Yamanaka discovered the process of making induced pluripotent stem cells. This was a major breakthrough for the research and medical field. This also won him the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2012.
What is the induced pluripotent stem cell used for?
It is used for regenerative medicine, drug development, disease research, and much more. For regenerative medicine, scientists are able to take a patient's skin cell, reprogram it to a diseased cell that has either been damaged or destroyed, and regrow that particular cell. Imagine you have a cake, and you're frosting it, and one side of it is messed up. So you take frosting from a different side, fix it. A similar concept, but different, and it's inside the body, and it's with science, and a lot more complex. Scientists are also able to better understand how a disease progresses. A disease such as Alzheimer's, which develops in late adulthood, has very limited information and research on it. This is because the research is done post-mortem or after the patient has passed. In other words, after the disease has taken its course. This limits treatment and understanding of how Alzheimer's develops. And through these stem cells, a scientist can take an Alzheimer's patient's skin cell, reprogram it, and grow brain cells. And then they can better understand and learn how it develops. This opportunity will help treat and understand many other diseases just by learning more than we already know. Even though there's still so much to learn about the usage about these stem cells, it will inevitably change science and medicine.